Okay, as you can see, I'm back in my room. I am in my kitchen because I'm putting food in the toaster oven. But I got mail from Ipsy's. Everybody know this color bag is from Ipsy's. So let's cut it open. Got the scissors. Now let's see what's in the bag, shall we? Oh, this is cute. It has the little makeup bag that has Ipsy's on the little tag. Then you have the eyelashes. This is so cute. And I'm an eyelash junkie. If anybody knows me, know I love eyelashes. Never leave home or wake up without them. Let's go what's inside. I so love the color of this bag. Look at this. It's so cute. This is not sponsored, so I'm not making up, oh, this is cute. No, this is actually cute. I should be pouring me a glass of wine, but anyway, you have, let Tara put her glasses on. Why my camera look lopsided? Okay, no, too much light right there. Okay, we good. I done ate up all my lipstick. Let's put my glasses on so we can read what's on the card. It says the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who's going to stop me. Hashtag Ipsy September 2018. So I got the September bag. Let's go in here and see what this is. This is a DLS Dirty Little Secret. And this is Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. What's in it? Oh, it's bronzer. It's bronzer. This is the little package. Let's go inside and see what it is. I like this little box. It's so cute. And these are little samples. So if you don't know, Ipsy sends samples so you can test it before you buy it. And this is cool. And it's a subscription, a monthly subscription. I will leave the information down below. Just click on the link. Oh, this is cute bronzer. And I don't really use bronzer. But 9 times out of 10, I'll probably use it for eyeshadow. That's the shade. Let's see how oh, I'm loving the pigment. I don't know if you can see it on my hand, but you see the glow. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Dirty Little Secret. And this is in, what shade is this? This is called Skinny Bronzer. I'm liking it. Let's see what else is in the bag. You have Steve Laurent. This is blush. My lips are like red. This is blush. Tara don't use blush, but we're going to see what this is. I don't really do all the stuff on a regular basis, but if I'm doing a video, I'll probably end up putting some on. The packaging is cute. Oh, this is pretty. I love this little packaging. And this is in what shade? It's called I'm Blushing. It's pretty. I like this packaging. And I just did a review on all these products that I keep getting. Oh, it's a fuchsia looking. Okay, okay. That's that right there. Has a little mirror to it. But this is a little cute sample. Okay, okay. Let's see what else is in here. You have a good night. It's a brush, but it's a good night. Let's take it out the packages. Oh, it has red. It probably match my lips. Woo! This is by Luxie. But it says good. It says good night. This design and packaging is so cute. The brushes are soft. The bristles are soft. And my food is done. I like this. Let's see what else is in here. APTO Healing PERMED. These words are so little. It's on all. It's a mask, but the words are little. For all skin. Traumatic mask. Okay. But this is what it is. Well, it's closed. I will do a review on this one. So remind me to do a review. And last but not least, that's all that's in the bag. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Put my glasses back on. You have Thank Me Later Face Primer Mattifying Elizabeth Mott. I got it right. So all these products are actually, I'm gonna try them and actually give you a review. So Tara needs to make note of this. Make note of this, Tara, to do reviews on these things. So that's all that came in this beautiful bag.